ensengima EBIOMBE guchengera Rituko ria Ushirika kera eikintang'anio mutionyoga ugatano na kabere wasabana babwatani b'EBIOMBE AOAO bagwa cioria emirimo yabo bwikiranu nigo Rituko ria rero SACCO AOAO hamwe n'EBIOMBE ebyo biri me county ya Kisii byachengera Rituko riga imegeti kya WAKENYA PAMOJA SACCO ase omuchi obosongo na gosanga igoro yaria baikiranirie nari iroberite guchia kwenekia uikirania mwaziri w'ebintu bitwetanaine Cyrus Nyabicha niko bona ara umuroberi uyo na goteba buna county ya Kisii yakorire omukia gukinya obokoreri bw'echi cooperative inse serikali ya Simba arati aseboigo mutendero monene bw'echi SACCO hanemono ya WAKENYA PAMOJA SACCO Dr. Isaac Mwenga nigo nera enekirie buna nigo ekerenge kenene ky'omwaka oiga kere igoro yokobeka omorembe gwetera ase echi cooperatives omoriki tupetwel machini na mange.
Very good, mugani wa heshima. Very good. Asante sana.
Itukurerero niga obwatani AOAO bechi SACCO basangirekane mensemege tigie chi cooperative me mucho busongo na Koriikerani Rituko Ushirika sekirenge kenene mwakoyo kiarenge kubeko morembe wetera chi SACCO.
World celebrate Ushirika Day. We do so under a theme, Cooperatives for a Peaceful World. This is a timely reminder that the cooperative movement is not only an economic model, but also a powerful force for peace, social cohesion, and sustainable development.
Bakorawa na Dr. Isaac Mwenga oyoro motenere w'EBIOMBE gya WAKENYA PAMOJA SACCO oyiboigoso mengwana y'omura w'EBIOMBE gya Cooperative Alliance of Kenya Macleod Malonza nigatebirwe hachisigiamo nama kwa mange boigo gonchire kwerire nigo kwaretiro botako bonge.
The world today is confronted by multiple crises. Wars and conflicts continue to displace millions of people, disrupt trade, and deepen poverty. Climate change is a threatening food system and livelihoods, while economic inequality and unemployment are creating social tensions across many societies. In such times, the world needs institutions that unite people around shared interests and collective prosperity.
Mwaziri w'ebintu bitwetanaine me county ya Kisii Cyrus Nyabicha nigasenseme yasome ujumbe mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simba arati asene kirimo kyoye okonya basaye naboncheria wetera chi cooperative wechio.
We have a great potential for growth and encourage you to tap on the untapped sectors of the Kisii County economy. Among my manifesto agenda in economic empowerment of youth, women and people with disabilities, it's my wish that the SACCOs and cooperatives help me achieve these through products and services that will favor these people. More specifically, as a county, we are committed to ensuring that we improve our cooperatives as they play this important role in ensuring that our people are enabled. And indeed, in this era, that cooperatives have grown into another level. They provide an opportunity for our people to save and encourage the savings.
Nigabona bahenekire bachikobeko mokyo monene as cooperative me county ya Kisii norongo Africa na bwigo gokorobore myobuya obubaranya rego kine okonyora kwa bananchi.
County, the Kisii County, the Department of Agriculture, you have really invested a lot in making sure that you improve cooperatives through capacity building, and that's what you are doing to ensure that we improve the standards of our cooperatives within our region, to ensure that we move to another level. Indeed, we need to keep our environment safe. We cannot grow without coexisting with our environment. That will enable us, our people, to be sustainable. We need to encourage climate smart agriculture, where we encourage that we need to keep our soil safe.
By promoting peace, protecting the environment, strengthening the regional integration, and investing in inclusive economic models, cooperatives can help build a more prosperous and peaceful Africa. The future of our continent depends on it.
Kurpoteria en SACCO TV kure kaunti ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.